Hello guys! Welcome to our channel at Mami Mix Vlog. Mag-merienda tayo. May pasalubong ako galing kay Feliciori, ang aking pretty apo. Ito ay famous daw na Bulacan's Delicacy. So come on guys, tikman natin lahat. Mukhang masarap. Yummy, yummy. Wow! Mukhang yummy guys. Tikman nga natin to. Asan na yung kape at masarap na kapartner niya. Yummy, yummy. Yummy guys. Sarap talaga. Kaso, di pa ako nakapag-ready ng aking coffee. Yummy, yummy talaga guys. Kain na tayo. Excited na akong matikman lahat guys, kaya mamaya na yung coffee. Sa next naman tayo titikim itong espasol. Masarap din ito guys. Yummy yummy din to. Ang sarap talaga itong Bulacan's Delicacy. So, may isa pa guys. May isa pa tayong titikman. Ito na ang last. Yung pichi pichi. Ito guys, peachy peachy. Very colorful. Pwede ito pang Christmas. Oh, it's okay guys, kasi bare month na. Kaya mag-ready na tayo for Christmas na naman. At parang okay to kasi colorful. Wow, yummy din to guys. Yummy, yummy din. Lahat sila ay yummy. Kaya, pwede itong mga ito for Christmas din. Kain tayo guys. Yummy.
Hello, Felice. You want to join in the vlog?
Okay.
Okay, come.
Wait, I'm just gonna call Shem. Hi guys.
Wait. Is this okay?
Thank you for watching our yummy food.
Okay
I hope you
guys.
enjoy it. Bye. Bye.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah, bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.
Bye guys. Ay. Oh, may ibang flavor din pala guys. Itong ube flavor. Yummy, yummy din. So the last but not the least guys, gusto kong pasalamatan ang aking pretty apo sa kanyang yummy pasalubong kay Mami Lola niya. Thank you Feliciori. I love you apo. God bless.